English speech as for improve your listening and speaking.
Please see or listening this and our English speeches video.
Reusing empty plastic bottles can be a great way to reduce waste and help the environment. Reusing empty plastic bottles is important for several reasons. Plastic bottles take a long time to decompose, and when they do, they release harmful chemicals into the environment. By reusing plastic bottles, we reduce the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills, oceans, and other natural environments. Reusing plastic bottles is an affordable way to save money. Instead of buying new containers or products, you can reuse plastic bottles for different purposes, such as storing food, water, or other household items. Reusing plastic bottles can encourage creativity and innovation. Instead of throwing them away, you can use your imagination to create new and useful products, such as bird feeders, planters, or storage containers. Producing new plastic bottles requires a significant amount of energy and resources, including oil, water, and electricity. By reusing plastic bottles, we can reduce the demand for new ones, conserving natural resources and energy. Overall, reusing plastic bottles is a simple yet effective way to reduce waste, save money, and protect the environment. By adopting a culture of reuse, we can all make a positive impact on the world around us. There are many ways to reuse empty plastic bottles. Cut off the top of a plastic bottle, fill it with soil, and plant a small plant inside. You can even paint or decorate the outside of the bottle for added flair. Create a bird feeder. Cut out a hole in the side of the bottle, fill it with birdseed, and hang it outside for birds to feed on. Cut out a hole in the side of the bottle, fill it with birdseed, and hang it outside for birds to feed on. Cut a small slit in the side of the bottle and decorate it with paint or markers. Use it to collect loose change. Cut off the bottom of the bottle and use the top portion as a container to store small items like pens, pencils, or craft supplies. Instead of buying new water bottles, refill old plastic bottles with water and keep them in the fridge for a refreshing drink on the go. Fill old plastic bottles with sand or water to create makeshift weights for a workout. Use an empty plastic bottle to create a fun toy for your kids by filling it with rice, beans, or other small items and sealing it tightly. These are just a few ideas for reusing plastic bottles. With a little creativity, you can find many other uses for them and help reduce waste in the process.